right, so we are back in the main theater. You can see it all here behind us. I think we're actually the first ones in here tonight, but we wanted to get front row seats. So we're going to try again to see Tango Buenos Aires. Now, this is a show they canceled last night because of the ship's movement. The waves were too rough. I got my fingers crossed, but we left Cozumel and we're already bouncing around quite a bit.
Not as bad as last night, though.
Yeah, but
We're still bouncing.
we're still bouncing quite a bit, so I am not 100% confident that the show is going to go again tonight. We'll find out, but I think it's probably 50-50. And if it gets any rougher here over the next half hour, we may not do this show. But it is Caribbean night here on board. You can see we got our Caribbean stuff going. Tiffany's got her Caribbean stuff going. So we're going to see this show, hopefully, fingers crossed. And there's a couple other activities I think we're going to do. And it is Caribbean night for dinner tonight. We're just going to hit the Windjammer Cafe because that is where they have the Caribbean meat pies. And that is a must-eat for me on a Royal Caribbean cruise. I do not miss Caribbean meat pie night. So we're going to do this show, see if there's anything else going on immediately, and then we're going to go hit the Windjammer to get Caribbean meat pies. So fingers crossed that we have some show for you guys to see tonight.
Yes.
Buenas noches, damas y caballeros. Welcome to my Argentina. The music, the dance, the spirits. Royal Caribbean and Mario and Daniel are proud to present Tango Buenos Aires. Let the passion begin. En Gisela. Señoras y señores, Mario Daniel, Tango Buenos Aires.
Entertainers all the way from Argentina. So, let's see, try once. So, now, wait, go!
I don't think this is a kid's game. now we are up in the solarium. We're actually waiting for the park cafe to open up. I figure we can come watch, see what the pool's doing over here. Still got some pretty good movement. Said the ship is still bouncing around pretty good. But give you guys a quick look at the solarium. Quick little solarium spin. Take a look at it in here. And here comes Tiffany with her cup of coffee. Alright, so we're currently up here in the solarium, waiting for the park cafe to open up. Went to the Windjammer Cafe. They did not have my Caribbean meat pies. First Royal Caribbean ship I've been on that did not have them. So, a little disappointed that they didn't have those. That would have been like the perfect topper to the end of today, but oh well. You do what you can do, so instead I'm going to go over here to Park Cafe when it opens. Got about 5 more minutes. We'll see what they have, because we actually haven't been to the Park Cafe yet. And see what kind of good stuff we can find. Alright, so you got your desserts. Pizza. You got sandwiches. And hot dogs. And some hot dogs. Alright, so I got a couple slices of pepperoni. And we're going to see what Tiffany's going to go get. You going to go get something, baby? In a minute, she's playing on her phone again. Let's see what Tiffany's going to get to drink. What you getting, baby? No ice? Oh, and they're out of your juices, too. Yeah, they're out of all of Tiffany's high C juices. So I think she's going to go with vitamin water. Alright, so we have our towel animal tonight. And you'll have to excuse shaky camera here. The ship is rocking. But tonight we have a dinosaur. So another day done here on Grandeur of the Seas. And it's been a heck of a day.
Yes.
Started off really great. Cozumel, the shore excursion was awesome. Rescuing our baby turtle was awesome. Got back on the ship and we have hit the rough seas since then. And I said, this video is probably shaking right now because the ship is bobbing up and down. And since we are on the forward section of the ship, almost near the bow in our room, we're getting extra shaky. Because we're getting a whole bunch of this out here tonight. I mean, it's bad enough that it knocked the internet offline. There were plates flying in the Windjammer Cafe all across the floor.
I still don't think it was as bad as last night, though.
I don't know, but someone was up there puking on the deck.
Yeah.
The crew was up there cleaning the vomit off of deck 5. That was fun for them, I'm sure.
The puke bags are out.
The puke bags are back out again. But, you know, cruising is always an adventure. And this one here, it's been a roller coaster kind of adventure.
Yeah.
When you guys saw the water shooting out of the pool. So, yeah, it's been fun.
Yeah.
It's been fun.
Didn't affect me to... I just saw waves going across the window. Sorry.
All right, so we're on deck 3, and there is water going up past our window. Just to give you guys an idea of what's going on out there. It's dark, so I don't think you'll be able to see it if I tried to show you guys, but maybe I'll see if I can get a video of it. But yeah, all right, so we got water coming up to at least deck 3. It's going to be a fun night.
Sleep good, though.
I slept good last night.
I did too.
Rocked you right to bed. So, but I said, so it's been a bit of an adventure today. It really, really has. But we're going to call it a night. We're going to get some rest. Tomorrow we actually have the behind the scenes ship tour, and since the Great Pants Adventure was pulled off finally, I can actually attend. We were this close to letting Tiffany go by herself over this pants issue. So yeah, future cruise tip. Don't forget a pair of pants. You never know when you might need them. So, and that's probably for me. But other than that, y'all have a good night, and we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow morning.